Hi there, my name is Anish and I welcome you to the introduction video of the 1Zpresso J Max. The J Max is the latest addition in the 1Zpresso J series. It has a very cool iron grey color with aluminium body and stainless steel burrs, which can grind for your manual brewed coffee as well as espresso. In the kit, which comes with a cylindrical case, you will get a cleaning brush, a cleaning blower and an additional grill, and of course the J Max. Unlike the most common grinders, this comes with an external adjustment which makes it very quick to adjust the grind. The most special thing about this grinder is it has got the finest adjustment setting among all the 1Zpresso grinders. It has got 90 clicks per rotation and there are 4 rotations. So that makes it 360 clicks. And why is it the finest adjustment mechanism? That's because it moves the burr by 8.8 micron per click. Another additional element in this grinder is the magnetic catch cup. And this comes with a titanium coated stainless steel burr which is fixed with the shaft to give you precise grinding. Now let's take a look at how does it grind. And now that's the difference between the finest grind size and the coarsest grind size. And like I said earlier, there's a difference between 360 grind sizes between the two. So now you know what this grinder is capable of. If you think this video was useful for you, do click on the like button, comment whatever you feel about the video, and don't forget to share it with people who might like this too. Also, stay tuned for the upcoming content videos about coffee brewing, coffee grinding, coffee roasting, and a lot more by clicking on the subscribe button down there, the red color button. So thank you so much for watching. I shall see you in the next video. Bye.